Hi, welcome back to the channel, A Busy Retirement with me, Georgie. Got my apron on today so I don't get muck on me good clothes. The first job we've got to do today is I've got a hole right here. When I had the bathroom renovated, I had a handyman come in. He painted the bedroom and the bathroom, hung things up for me. The only problem was this one here is nice and solid, although it probably would move, except it's got a tile here. But I'm not taking it off. I don't want to find another issue. But this one here, it was moving because it's only a small one. So it was, every time I put a towel on, it was swinging backwards and forwards. So I thought, well, maybe I just need to tighten the screw. No, that didn't work. I took it off and I found that the little plug, this one, the hole is too big. Don't know if you can see that. You can't. I'll try and zoom it in when I'm editing, but there's a gap. So that was just spinning around. And what the handyman did, instead of doing what I would have done and filled the hole, come a bit further down, drilled a new one and let that one dry out, sand it and paint over it, he stuck this screw underneath. He screwed that into the hole just to stop the plug turning around. That wasn't good enough. So what I'm going to do is, I've got multi-purpose filler, spack filler, poly filler, spackle, whatever you call it. It's basically plaster, but it's already pre-mixed. And this is a very handy little container that it comes in. It does have its own spatula on here. I'm not going to take it off because I'm not going to be using that today. But if I had a big job, that I would use to fill the hole and then use the flat edge to smooth it down, be ready for sanding. But what I need to do, I need to get that into that little hole. So I've got a bag here, it's got a little corner cut off it, and I'm going to pop some of that spack filler or poly filler into here and do it like a cake icing bag, and hopefully that will work. So I've got a hair on there. I think I'm molting. Okay, so that's, I only need a small amount because it's not a really big hole. And what I'm going to do is squeeze that into the hole, because I can push that in, squeeze it in, and then I'm going to push this into that hole. It will ooze out around it, but I'm hoping that there's enough in there now when it dries, it will hold that in place. Now, I'm going to need to make sure that's gone right in, because at the moment it's poking out a little bit. So just a few taps with the rubber mallet. Get rid of the big blob from the front. That bit I don't need. And I didn't bring a cloth in, so I'll just wipe it off in the bag for now. Now, that I'm going to have to leave till the morning to make sure it's completely dry, solid. and then I can try and put the screw back in and hang the hanger up. Okay, so that's one quick fix. The next one is in my shower. I need to change the hose. This one is corroding. It's only a cheap one that I picked up from Bunnings, and I only got the chrome plated. Big mistake, didn't realise. I thought they were all stainless steel, but this one was just a chrome plated one. I've been out and bought a stainless steel one, so the next job is let's replace that. And also it's got a leak, so it was either just fix the washer or get a new hose, because it does look a mess. And you'll see, I'll turn the camera around into there so that you can see what's happening. So, I don't know if you can see this hose. It's gross. It's all rusted. It's not really very nice. So, I'm going to replace that. And the way to do that is, I don't need to go and turn the mains off because I'm not turning this tap on. If I had to turn the tap on, then I'd need to turn the mains off. But first of all, I've got to get this hose off here. And that comes off quite easily. I'll just do it over there in case there's water in the hose. Pop that in the sink for now. Drain the hose. Yeah, there's a little bit in there. And then I've got calipers. I did have a monkey wrench large enough to fit this, but I can't find it. I've got 5 monkey wrenches. There are 4 on the hook. So, more light needed for super steady. I don't know what the camera's telling me they need more light. I've got that much light in here. I can't get any more light. So, anyway, so this is going to take this off here. I've only got to get the thing loosened. Once it's loosened, it's easy to take off. Okay, so there we go. One revolting looking hose. And you can see it better now, how discoloured it is and grotty it is. So that's going to go out into the rubbish. Have to wait until somebody's got a skip bin or I do a tip run and then it can go. So what I need to do now is attach the new one to the head, and that's wrong side. That's this side. Now this has actually got a guard in it, which is like a filter. Now I could take that out if I wanted a heavier spray for my shower and just put the clear washer, pop that on there. Whoops. But the other thing that you need for any plumbing is plumber's tape. Now plumber's tape is good because it gives a really good seal. Now I don't know if you can see on here, there's all bits of white on it. If I pull at that, you'll see it coming off. That's old plumber's tape. So I'm going to take the old stuff off and make some room for the new stuff to go on. It's got some little bits that can come off. Should have got the tweezers out to get at that, but that's all right, it's gone. So, plumber's tape. pop it over the thread and just wrap it around. Whoops. It's easy to wrap it around, holding it down first with your thumb. Alright, and that is enough to give it a good seal. So I might put the filter on just so that I don't get grubby stuff coming through the water system, and I'll see how it goes. If I find the water pressure in my shower isn't strong enough for a good hot shower, then I can take this off and, whoops, that's not going on straight. Make sure you get it straight, otherwise you'll cross thread and then you've had it. You've wasted your money on a new hose. That's better. Now this shower head has a knob here that I can move, so I can change the spray, so I can have a real massage setting to it. So that's that bit done, and then all I've got to do now is attach that bit back to there, which means some more of the plumber's tape on that thread. While I'm here, before we do that, while I've got the shower head, these holes in your shower head often get clogged. You know, you can have calcium, lime, whatever in your water. If they do clog and you find that the water's not coming through freely, the way I clean mine is I get a plastic bag, a good strong one, pour some water and cleaning vinegar in and stick it in and tie it to that. And then I just leave that sitting in the shower upside down. You can put it in a bucket if it's easier, but the vinegar helps to clean out each of the holes. Okay, so that's one. That's a cleaning tip. One of many that I've got. So now I'm going to find. Oh no! Do you know what? That was the end of my plumber's tape. I thought I had more than that. Alright, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put it back on for now, because that means I'm going to have to go to Bunnings, because I don't think I've got another roll of plumber's tape anywhere. So I'll just pop it back on for now, so it's in its place. Pop that up there for now. So that is now a nice clean shower hose. Now on cleaning tips, I'm actually making my own cleaning solutions. So I'll do a video on that. I've got quite a few videos that I've watched on how to make my own. And of course, a lot of them are American YouTubers. So they use Dawn dish soap, which we can get in a couple of shops in Perth, but it's very expensive. So I'm going to do an equivalent and show you how to make your own chemical free. I think the hardest thing is in one of them, you use the isopropyl, the stuff that they used in the hand wash during COVID. So it's rubbing alcohol or isopropyl. So that's a video that's coming up. I've been putting everything together for that. So, but I just thought I'd do this little job here as a quick video to throw up for you. Now, I was actually going to go out and mow the lawn as well, do a ripper snip and mow the lawn, because I know a lot of people like watching garden videos as well. But it's so cold outside. I've got the heater on inside because my hands were frozen. I couldn't do anything. So I'll call it quits for now. At least you know what I need to do. More plumber's tape. Fix it around that thread. Put that hose back on I won't use the shower until I've done that. And that's a couple of small repairs. So that way I can get this video up tonight, Saturday night. So you've got something to watch while I get my other video sorted out. Okay, so it's time for us to go now to the office to get the word puzzle. So I'll see you in the office. Well, I hope you enjoyed those 2 little repair jobs, and I hope they do come in handy for you at some stage if you have the same issue as I did. So now to get on with the word puzzle. I don't know why I have to think about that. It's not hard, is it? Word puzzle. Anyway, this was last week's. How did you go? Blood is thicker than water. Does that make sense to you? Hope you got that one easily. And now for the next one. See how you go with this one. This could be interesting. So good luck with it. It's now Saturday late afternoon, 5:20. This will be going up tonight. So have a great weekend. Give me a like if you liked the video. Give me a like if you didn't like the video. Just give me a like. Gets the video out there for more people to see. And yeah, if you know anybody that might benefit from a little assistance with repair jobs, send them a link to my video. Share it, send a link, whatever. And pop comments down in the comments section, even if it's just to say hi, thanks, whatever. If you've got any questions, just pop those down there. The more interaction we have, the more my videos get out there. I am happy to announce I've actually gained a couple more subscribers, and my last video that I put up, the pantry one, I was amazed at how many views it's had. So what are the things that people want to watch? Am I giving you the things that you want to see, or are there things that I'm not doing that you would like to see? Pop those in the comments. All ideas for videos are always welcome. Saves me having to think about what am I going to do. I've got a lot of projects, don't worry about that, but sometimes it's nice to throw something in that somebody actually wants to watch, rather than me just feeding you things that I'm doing and hoping that it will help at least one person that week. So anyway, that's it from me. I'll stop waffling. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.